Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? So today I'm here at Celsius and you too can get a free $40 in Bitcoin if you use this promo code to get in. So you can see it in the below in the box and get your code and put your 40 bucks in. Free 40 bucks, can't beat that. Alright guys, and today I have another code that's in there. They sent me a code for some free Bitcoin for existing members. I get a free $50 if I put $400 in. That 2 times. Okay, I'm going to buy Bitcoin and I'm going to get a free $50, which is basically free money. So, I'm not a robot still. Okay, great. Alright, now I need the verification code. Copy. Back. So once you paste the verification code in, should work. Alright, it's automatically thinking about it, and it should be going to the next step in the process momentarily. Alright, so here I want to buy Bitcoin. I'm going to pay with USD, and the Bitcoin I'm going to buy is 0.01. Nope. This is where I always have a problem. Too much. 4? No. 2. 3? I think that should work just fine. $400 payment method. I have to select my bank account. They charge a 0.01 fee. Alright, so I'm stacking up some Bitcoin in here, and hopefully that's going to add to my stacks. So preview. See how much I'm going to pay in fees, if it's even worth it. I've done this before. Hey, that's not bad. Look at that. Network fee, 66 cents. Service fee, 44 cents. Wow. That's actually pretty darn good. Okay, I'm in. That's the lowest fees I've seen in a long time. That network fee for Bitcoin's pretty low. So let's do this. Okay, today, alright, I got Bitcoin on the way within 5 business days. Usually it takes that long. Go back and watch my past videos on I deposited Ethereum. I deposited from my bank, and it takes pretty much a full 5 business days, maybe 4 business days. But I don't expect this to happen now. It's Tuesday, June 8th. It probably won't be there until the 14th. Is my best guess. It's pretty late in the day, and Ethereum's at the low, Bitcoin's at a low, and we'll see how this works out. But as you can see, 1509. So that's the timestamp they used. So you can see here. Let's go through the available coins. Bitcoin is going to pay 6.2%. That's pretty darn good, if you ask me. So Bitcoin and Ethereum have pretty much held the line on interest rates, okay? They're paying pretty much the same. But if you go down, go down. Stellar used to be higher, okay? The Gemini, the stable coins used to be 10%. Now they're not. So you can see interest rates are going down in crypto pretty much across the board. As more people get in, hopefully the more stable prices will be. Polygon, okay? It used to be 13.99. Now it's down to 10.51. Synthetics, it's still 13.99. That's pretty darn good for us people here in the US of A. We can't earn in cell tokens, so we have to get a little bit lower interest rate. I wish they would hurry up and get the cell tokens available in the US. But anyway, guys, you guys want a free $40? Check out this code in Bitcoin. It's also in the below. Go check it out in the description box. And this is not financial advice, but it's free money, or free Bitcoin. It's actually real free money now because El Salvador's moving over to Bitcoin, which is kind of crazy. More countries do that, the better we're going to be off. Not sure America's going to do it. They'll probably come up with their own. But these third world nations, if they start converting over to Bitcoin, that's a good deal. We're going to get Layer 2, Bitcoin 2.0. Ethereum 2.0 is already on the way. So it's going to be good going into the future. I think it's a good time to buy. I'm stacking up as much as I can right now. So do what you think is prudent. Make sure you subscribe. See my future updates on Celsius and other crypto platforms and cryptocurrencies. And be sure to smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm so we can get the word out there and give everybody free $40. Alright guys, thanks for watching.